Now we're in the Alfa Giulietta, and we're going to change over some of these bulbs. We're going to put some LEDs in here to brighten things up and get a bit more efficient. Now, put these on. Yeah, they're not very bright. So let's get them out of there. Now we'll start by turning these off. I guess will be the first thing we do. See if we can get them both off. There we go, both off, so they're not super hot. Okay, to get this off, nice and easy. Plugs are in the back. There's little tension things in the front, so we just go in the front. You can use a trim tool, but oh, look at that. See, just take it off with your fingers. Okay, now inside, I can see the bulbs right in there, so we got to get to them. And to do that, that's a bit of Italian work there. Let's trim off the random bit of wiring that's there's electrical tape that's hanging here. There we go. Tidy that up. Okay, now we need to get into here. Looks like this is just a plastic cover. And we're gonna, well, let's just disconnect it and we can do this on our own time on the bench. Okay, we got a plastic clip here. That's just a one to pull, you just pull straight out. No, not so simple. Yep, there we go. Needed more force. Okay, that pulls right out. Looks like we got the same here. Or does that have a bit to push up? That's got a little bit to push up. I'll try to push that. And we'll try to do this big one. That one you can see there definitely has a bit to push there to remove. Sorry. Trying to film this and pull at the same time. Sometimes you gotta push in to pull out. Push in, pull out. Nope. Is it a lift up one? The big white one just needed 2 hands to do it, and this one, you can see there, see that little tab there right at the tip of my thumb? So that's gonna have to get pushed in, and then, yeah, that's it. It slides right up. Okay, light is out. Let's have a look at this. So it looks like, yeah, we've got a pivot point here, a door. So that's pretty easy. That's just on a clip. Yep, that's it there. Open. Now, let's have a look and, oh, can we do these ones too? No, those are capacitors in there. Little sensors or something. Okay, so let's take these out. We have a whole bunch of just eBay LEDs we've had for different cars, are they hot? No, they're okay. Different projects. Let's see if we can just pop these out. Okay, and check the length. Does it say on it the size? 12 volt, 10 watt. No, it doesn't say the size. All right, well, we got a few here. We'll go through and we'll find the correct size. Whatever that is, that's too small. Okay, I just went through all of them, got the calipers out and measured. 37 millimeter bulbs, so I'm gonna have to pick up 2 of these and we'll continue when I get the new bulbs. Okay, I got some bulbs, got them cut open here, and then we're gonna plop them in. So these do have the little heat sinks on the back, so they're quite CAN bus friendly. If you don't know what CAN bus is, it's the computers that kind of run your car. Now these are 36 millimeters, so they're a little bit shorter, so I'm gonna have to bend these tabs out just to keep it firm contact. There we go, that one is in. We'll have to turn it around, of course, because we want it to point down towards the light. Yeah, smart. Okay, so there we go. So the LEDs are obviously on this side, and they're going to shine out that way into there. So we'll take that one out on this. Okay, that bulb is out. I'll bend this a bit. Go, angled down. Put this lid back on. So we had these little pegs on this side, put them back in their little hole. There we go, back together. Now we'll check it back in the car. Okay, back in the car, pushed it all wired up. Just check it, make sure everything works okay. There we go. If they don't work, your polarity's wrong, so you just gotta flip them around, but these guys went first shot, they worked. That's exactly what we wanted. Nice little upgrade, getting everything a lot brighter, and exactly what we're chasing.